Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Toxic as an Off Cool. So friends, today's in this video I'm going to tell you the perfect answer of the question, tell me about yourself. Most of people's don't know how to describe yourself. If any interviewer ask him that tell me about yourself, they get stuck. So in this video you will get to know that how you can answer this question, tell me about yourself. So without wasting time, let's get start. So guys, whenever any interviewer asks you that tell me about yourself, then first thing you have to do that is you should start with greeting. If you are giving your interview in morning, you can say good morning sir, good morning ma'am. And if you are giving your interview in afternoon, you can say good afternoon sir, good afternoon ma'am. Then you can say first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Then you can say my name is ABC. You can mention your name there. Then you can say I'm basically from Mumbai, but currently staying in Jaipur. I did my graduation in BCA from Jaipur National University. You can mention your university name. Then you can say currently I am pursuing MBA in Jaipur National University, Jaipur. You can mention your university. If you are pursuing any course, then you can mention that. Then you can say I belongs to a nuclear family. My strength are I am self motivated, hardworking, and a disciplined person. My short term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and my long term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career and help the organization too. And my hobbies are listening to music, cooking, and reading books. You can mention your hobbies. Then you can say that's all about me. Thank you again for this opportunity. Some things you can mention according to you. So this is a professional answer of the question, tell me about yourself. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet again with a new topic.